Hello everyone, today I'm going to cook 10 of the most popular hot dogs over the past 100 years. And today we're going to find out the famous dish, how it has evolved, and also find out which decade had the most delicious hot dogs. Let's start with the 1920s. Back then, the classic New York hot dog was very popular in America. For him, of course, we will need a bun. We will cut this in advance. Let's move on to the onion. It needs to be fried in a frying pan. Since there was no electric stove yet, we use a gas stove. Bring the onion to a golden color. Let's add some water to soften it up. This also includes honey for caramelization. Worcestershire sauce. A little cinnamon. We achieve a thick glaze, and the onion is ready. The beef sausage is used for this hot dog. At that time, sausages were fried exclusively on a charcoal grill. Let's not break the technology and do the same thing. The sausage needs to be thoroughly fried on all sides and then taken away. We put it in the bun and put on our caramelized onion. Mustard and ketchup. That's it, the New York hot dog, which was served in restaurants indiscriminately, and Coney Island is ready. Let's try it. A pretty tasty classic hot dog. I give it 8 out of 10. Moving on to the 1930s. In Chicago at that time, the Chicago hot dog was considered the most popular. So smear the brush in soft butter and put it on the bun. Now we need some dried poppy seed. Sprinkle the bun, and it should stick to the butter. With the bun and sausage, we go outside. Fry it all up. Turn it over to the other side. And now you can take it off. Cut the crispy bun lengthwise. Add some fresh onion, chopped into small cubes. Next, the hot dog. An interesting ingredient here is pickled sweet relish. It is a very unusual green neon color. Pickled hot peppers, only 2 pieces. Fresh tomato, 3 slices. An ordinary pickled cucumber. And celery salt. Just sprinkle it on top. Now you just need to add some mustard. That's it, the famous Chicago hot dog, popular in the 1930s, is finally ready. And let's try it. It is very tasty. But there's one thing, it is extremely spicy. I give this 9 out of 10. 1940s. At that time, a hot dog called the Coney Island became very popular in Detroit, Michigan, and many other states. Let's start with the onion. Pour it into the saucepan. This will also include ground beef. Spices, namely garlic, paprika, cumin, celery salt, and black pepper. Also some butter. And we send it to the stove. We will also add ketchup. And now we thoroughly knead all this mass together. We need to get the meat sauce. After 20 minutes, everything is ready. Beef sausage. For this hot dog, you just need to boil it. We put it in the bun. Next is our meat sauce. Some fresh onions. And finally, mustard. That's it, the Coney Island hot dog, super popular in the 1940s, is finally ready. Let's try it. Not bad, but not wow. My rating for this hot dog is 6 out of 10. Moving on to the 1950s. The most popular at the Los Angeles Stadium was the Dodger hot dog. A long sausage is needed here. We send it to the roast on the grill. When ready, we transfer it to a bun. Next is the sweet cucumber relish. Fresh onions. And the 2 most popular sauces are ketchup and mustard. That's it, the Dodger dog from Dodger Stadium in Los Angeles is ready. Let's try it. This hot dog is balanced, quite fresh, and delicious. I give it 9 out of 10. The 1960s. At this time, a completely new kind of hot dog appeared at the state fairs, the corn dog. And the Americans loved it very much. So we string the sausage onto a barbecue skewer. Now it needs to be dipped into corn dough with spices. And we tip it into a deep fryer. Literally for 2 minutes, then you can take it out. All that's left to do now is pour some mustard and ketchup on it. That's it, the iconic corn dog from the 1960s is ready. Let's try it. I like it. It's delicious and it's super convenient to eat. 10 out of 10. So far, this is the best hot dog of the day. Moving on to the 1970s. In New York and other cities with German influence, the sauerkraut hot dog was becoming mega popular at that time. Electric grills were already used often back then. So let's take a German pork sausage, fry it up. The most important ingredient here is sauerkraut. We also send that to the grill. This is a kind of German sauerkraut. We often mix it so that it does not burn, and don't forget about the sausage. When it's ready, we transfer it into the bun. Then pour on some mustard and the fried sauerkraut. That's it, the hot dog is ready. For me, this is the strangest looking one so far, but we're evaluating the taste here, so let's try it. I don't really like it, so 6 out of 10. The 1980s. The Texas Tommy hot dog is becoming popular all over America. So, to begin with, cut the sausage lengthwise. And we're left with a little pocket like this. Now for the cheese. It needs to be shoved inside the sausage. The most important ingredient is bacon. With its help, we wrap the sausage on the outside so that the cheese does not leak out. Done, we send it to the grill. When well fried, you can put it into a bun, pour some mustard and ketchup on top. The 1980s Texas Tommy hot dog is finally ready. It's time to take a bite. It is awesome. Smoked bacon flavor, hot sausage, and lots of cheese inside. Perfect. I give it 10 out of 10. Now for the 1990s. A popular cream hot dog has appeared in Seattle sports stadiums and street carts. So we send some onion to be fried on the grill. Then put a beef sausage on there as well. We need some cream cheese. This is the main feature of this hot dog. Lubricate the bun on the inside. Then transfer in the sausage and fried onions. That's it, the 1990s old Seattle cream hot dog is ready. Let's test it. I had never tried such a hot dog before, and it turned out to be really tasty. I give it 9 out of 10. The 2000s. Avocado Salsa hot dog was sold at sporting events and grill pubs in Texas. A mixed sausage was used here, beef and pork. Fry on both sides, and put it into the bun. Now for the salsa. We put that on the sausage. Avocado. We send the pulp into a mortar. Lemon juice should be poured on top. Add in some chopped tomato, red onion, cilantro, black pepper, and of course salt. In the mortar, we put all of this into a paste. The guacamole is ready. Add it to the hot dog. That's it, our avocado salsa Mexican-style hot dog is ready. Let's taste test. You know, this is an ingenious combination. Spicy, buttery guacamole and rich sausage. This is a 10 out of 10 here. The final years for the 2010s. The Makeon Cheese hot dog. Here they combined 2 iconic American dishes into one and got a mega success. Let's repeat it. The mixed sausage just needs to be boiled and into the bun. Now some pasta is sent into boiling water. After cooking, drain the water, add some cream, and lots of cheddar cheese. We knead all this together so that the cheese melts. Now the mac and cheese is ready. We put this all on top of the hot dog. Now for the green onions. Sprinkle them on top. And the most popular hot dog of the 2010s is ready. It was eaten at stadiums, fairs, and fast food restaurants, and now I'm going to try it. Honestly, a pretty good combination. Super cheesy taste, and I give this hot dog an 8 out of 10. Choose in the comments section what you would like me to cook next. Cakes now versus 100 years ago, noodles now versus 100 years ago, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Bye everybody!